Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn live captions on or off on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the settings app, and in settings scroll and select accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on hearing enhancements, then select live caption. So you should see this use a live caption option with the toggle next to it. So to turn live captions on, simply tap on the toggle, and to turn it off, again tap on the toggle. Then you also have these settings you can apply to your live captions. So for example, you can choose the languages that can be captioned. So you have English, Japanese, and Spanish. Then if you want to add another language, select add language and then choose from this list here. So as you can see, they're set into beta stage, which means they're still in the testing phase. So you can choose if it's okay if you really want to add the language, tap on add language, then it will be downloaded, and then live captions will work with Italian. So you can also go back and then customize even further. You can choose how the captions appear. So select caption preferences, then caption size and style, and you can choose the text size, the caption style, the font family, the text color, opacity of the text, edge type, and all sorts of options that you can use to customize it. And you also have this preview so that as you go along, you can be able to tell how the captions will look like. Then you also have the option of hiding profanity, showing any sound labels that appear, so things like laughter and applause and music. Then you also have live caption in volume control. So with this turned on, it means that whenever you access your volume control menu, so simply press on either volume up or volume down, and then there's three dots here. You should see this live caption icon. So you can use this icon to turn live captions on or off. So when you bring up the menu, then you tap on the icon, live captions will be turned on. And then if you tap on the icon again, live captions will be turned off. However, if this feature is turned off, live caption in volume control, then you won't be able to see the live caption icon there. So it's up to you to enable or disable that option. Then when you feel like you're happy with how you've customized, you can now start using live captions on your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.